Welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove items and pages from my menu on SONY ZV-E10 II camera. First of all, let's open menu by clicking the menu option. Then I automatically got redirected to my menu, but you can navigate to it by pressing the left arrow key on your D-pad several times and then using up arrow key to navigate to the My Menu option. Click OK, and this will redirect you to My Menu list. Here we want to select My Menu setting. Click OK, then scroll down to Delete Item. If you want to delete one item, and if you want to delete an entire page, go to Delete Page. Let's start with Delete Item. Click right here. Then you automatically get redirected to the first element in your first menu, and if you want to switch to a different menu, you're gonna have to press left arrow key to switch to menus and then navigate down to the menu from which you want to remove an element. Let's click OK. Let's click OK once again while highlighting the element we want to remove, then click OK, and right now the item is removed. Now if we want to remove an entire page, let's first press menu button to go back and then scroll down to Delete Page option. Click OK, then select the page you want to delete and click OK once again. And that's it. Now let's press menu to go back. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.